$27.76.
From the storefronts in Beatrice,
It's just really scary to think about the stuff that we're going to have to be paying for things far before our time.
to the fields of this southwest Nebraska county hangs a potentially devastating financial cloud.
I've heard that talked about bankruptcy for the county, but I have no idea what that all would entail.
Last July, a federal court awarded 6 plaintiffs, known as the Beatrice Six, a $28.1 million judgment plus attorney's fees. The 6 spent a combined 75 years in prison for a 1985 rape and murder. DNA evidence proved they didn't commit. The judgment is more than 3.5 times the $8 million the county collects in taxes annually.
Gage County doesn't have $28 million sitting around. They don't have any ability to pay.
The county will have to pay the judgment immediately unless it wins appeal in the 8th Circuit Court. The county has already hired insurance and bankruptcy attorneys.
Literally, there's not a stone they're not looking at.
The county is limited in how much it can raise through property taxes without a vote of its residents. The Attorney General nixed borrowing money from the state without a change in state law. And if Gage County files for bankruptcy, it would be one of the only counties in the country to do so.
This is sort of an unprecedented situation.
Larry Dix from the Nebraska Association of County Officials says that's why they're watching closely what happens. He says bankruptcy would be difficult because much of the duties of a county are mandated by state law.
The county doesn't have the option to just shut down those services and say, we're just going to tax you, tax you, tax you.
The county does have insurance but switched carriers after 1985 and might not be covered for a decades-old cold case or have enough coverage.
I don't know of any county that's insured to cover something that happened 30 years ago.
The threat of the judgment already is possibly having an impact. Last November, a school bond issue was defeated. School officials won't say if that was the cause, but won't bring another bond issue at this point.
How do we continue to grow and move forward economically when you have this type of incident still hanging out there, not resolved yet?
In Beatrice, Andrew Ozaki, KETV, Newswatch 7.
Now, the attorney for the Beatrice Six tells us there is an urgency for his clients to be paid. You see, one of them, Joseph White, already passed away.
The appeals process will take time, though, with arguments not expected until next spring.